7, 5, 7, 5 are two opposite vertices of a square, then equation of the side through A is, yes, this is the square, he is giving you the square, A is 1, 3, B say this, C is 7, 5 and D is this. Let this is the diagonal. He is asking the equation of the side through A is matlab either this line or this line. Yes, no, you know this whole angle is 90 degree, this bisects it, this angle will be 45 degree, this angle will be 45 degree. So let, as I told you earlier कि एक line निकालने के लिए आपको दो चीजें चाहिए, one is point and the other is slope. Let the slope of AB is, let slope is equal to M, और इस लाइन की slope you are having, slope of AC is 5 minus 3 2 upon 7 minus 1 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, so equation of this angle will be 45. So tan 45 will be equal to M minus 1 3 upon 1 plus M into 1 by 3. I think you remember this. Yesterday I gave you this result that angle between two lines is tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2. Okay, modulus. Yesterday we did it कि जी अगर ये दो लाइनें आपके पास, इसकी स्लोप है M1, इसकी है M2, तो उनके बीच का एंगल क्या निकलता है, थीटा. This modulus is due to this angle also. So this becomes tan 45 is nothing but 1, that is 3m minus 1 upon 3 plus m modulus. So next, my aim is to find out m here. So this will be 3 plus m is equal to plus minus 3m minus 1. So 3 plus m is equal to 3m minus 1 एक इक्वेशन. 3 इसको पहले सॉल्व करते हैं, माइनस 2m इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 4, सो m इज इक्वल टू 2. ओके जी, जस्ट चेक, m minus 3m minus 2m is equal to minus 1 minus 3, so m comes out to be 2. And the other thing, 3 plus m is equal to minus of 3m minus 1 means 3 plus m is equal to minus 3m plus m. So 4m is equal to minus 2, m is equal to minus 1 by 2. वो आना ही यही था, negative reciprocal. So line you can make it now. So lines are point आपके पास है y minus 3 is equal to 2 into x minus 1. So line is y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2 means 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is how you can find out the line. The options here are 2x minus y, यही option है. So दूसरी line आप निकालो just for your practice. लेकिन यहाँ question में उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. y minus 3 is equal to minus this x minus, you can solve it. Next problem I am taking. Next 19th I will take later on. 20th start कर रहे हैं. Let PS be the median. Let PS be the median. It's 20th problem. Let PS be the median. Say this is the triangle. PS be the median. Median I told you that divides the triangle in two equal parts. Mid point पे जाकर के वो मिलेगा. P के coordinates आपको वो दे रहा है 2 2. P Q आपको वो दे रहा है 6 minus 1. R आप लोगों को वो दे रहा है 7 3. He says the equation of the line passing through 1 minus 1 and parallel to PS. Equation of a line passing through this thing 1 minus 1 कहीं बाहर है line वो 1 minus 1 and parallel to this. This point can be calculated. 7 plus 6 13 बाय 2 एंड द नेक्स्ट 3 माइनस 1 2 1 रह जाएगा वो, राइट। पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, स्लोप बराबर होगी तो इसकी स्लोप निकाल लेते हैं, वही स्लोप हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे, पॉइंट आपके पास है। सो स्लोप ऑफ पी एस इज इक्वल टू 2 माइनस 1 1 अपॉन 2 माइनस 13 by 2, that is 2 upon minus 9 by 2, slope of required line I will take same, so line is y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 9 into x minus 1. So 9y plus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 2, means 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to, this will be the equation of line. Now you can check it, 2x plus 9y plus 7, D option is the answer. 21st we have done earlier. 22nd question, very good question, important. Second question, the range of the beta such that 0 beta lie on, आपको तीन साइड्स दी हुई हैं उसने, y plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next is 3y minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. The third one is 4y plus x minus 14 is equal to 0. तीन साइड दी हुई हैं आप लोगों को और वो कह रहा है फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ बीटा सच दैट 0 बीटा लाई ऑन और इनसाइड द ट्राइंगल, मतलब इस ये तीनों साइड से एक ट्राइंगल बनेगा, पॉइंट है आपका 0 बीटा शोज के इट विल बी ऑन द y एक्सिस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू. हाँ, y plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, 3y minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. इसके पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आप लोगों के पास आएंगे -1 and 1, -1 and 1. ओके जी, इन दोनों का जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आएगा दैट विल बी 3y minus 2x minus 5 4y plus x, हाँ इट विल बी 2 3. हाँ, कौन सा रहेगा जिसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन नहीं निकला, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट, एंड दैट ऑफ y plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, 4y plus x minus 14 is equal to 0. द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मैंने निकाल रखे हैं -2 and 4. ओके जी, नाउ स्केच द रिजल्ट, जस्ट स्केच इट. स्केच के ऊपर है क्वेश्चन, वो कोई रिजल्ट नहीं लगना उसमें. -1 1, x is -1, x is -1, y is 1, this is the point. 2 3, this is the point. Last is -2 4, x is -2 4, approximate here. So this will be the triangle. अब जरा लाइन कौन कौन सी हैं ये देखें. 2 3 2 3, कौन कौन सी लाइन का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आया हुआ है, इसका और इसका. सो दैट मीन्स वन ऑफ द लाइन विल बी 4y plus x minus 14 is equal to 0. This will be 3y minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay जी, last -1 1 किस किस का है, -1 and 1, y plus 3x और 3y का, -1 and 1, this is -1 and 1, -1 and 1, y plus 3x 2 3, just a minute, 2 3 इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, 2 3 प्लस 6, नो 2 3 नहीं इसको सेट, हाँ ये लाइन आएगी ये वाली, y plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let me check whether it satisfies this or not. This point is -2 and 4, -2 and 4, 4 here, minus is okay, -1 1, y is 1, this is -3, yes it's okay now. Now the point 0 beta will lie here, यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक उसका रेंज रहेगा 0 beta. Okay, if I replace 0 here, x की जगह 0 अगर यहाँ रिप्लेस करते हैं, you are getting y is equal to 14 by 4 means 7 by 2, right? And next this line will be, यहाँ पे कौन सी लाइन आएगी, अगर यहाँ y को 0 x को 0 रिप्लेस करते हैं दैट विल बी 5/3 ये लाइन ऊपर आनी चाहिए आपके, दिस लाइन शुड बी हियर 4y plus x minus 14 is equal to 0 and this line should be the next 4y plus x minus 14 is equal to 0, y plus 3y minus 2x. Yes, so this point will be 7/2 ये आएगा आपका और 5/3 ये आएगा. So the range is, lower limit will be 5/3 is less than or equal to beta is less than or equal to 7/2. So this is the result. The result comes out to be C here. Okay. Question, it has been asked in your exams twice. Next question कर रहे हैं 25th. Symmetric form के ऊपर question है. Symmetric form. Let me recall once again symmetric form. Symmetric form is, this is the line, okay. He says the coordinate of the point at a distance of 2√2 units. Say this is the coordinate axis, this is the line, एक पॉइंट है आप लोगों के पास कहीं ये से P x1 y1, length of perpendicular PM you have to find out. Okay, proof you can do simply, आप ये point निकाल सकते हो. I have just told you intercept on x axis, this intercept on y axis. Area of triangle ले लेंगे determinant method से, then area of triangle you can take by half base into altitude, then this PM comes out to be ax1 by1 plus c modulus upon root of a square plus b square. This is how you can find out the perpendicular distance from a point on the line. Okay. A counter question अगर मैं लूँ, distance of perpendicular distance of 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 from say 1 0. Okay जी, 1 0. So this will be, एक simply line लगाओ, 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to, just for your clarification, the point is 1 0, perpendicular distance PM is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2 into 0 plus 5 modulus upon root of 9 plus 4. So this will be 3 plus 5 8 upon root 13. This will be the result. This is how you can find out the distance of a point, perpendicular distance of a point from the line. यहाँ से एक दो रिजल्ट्स निकालूंगा मैं which are important. First of all, distance between parallel lines. Between parallel lines. Say one is this line ax by plus c is equal to 0. Another line is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Parallel lines हैं तो इतना portion तो same रहेगा due to the same slope. So the perpendicular distance will be, this distance will be, right. एक तो है कि इसके ऊपर point ले लो आप लोग x1 y1, फिर ये value replace कर देते हैं. इसका एक सीधा shortcut result दे रहे हैं आपको c1 minus, if I am taking this as to be the c1 minus c2 modulus upon root of a square plus b square. ओके जी, c1 माइनस c2, पहले उन दोनों जो लाइन है उन दोनों का कोफिशिएंट सेम कर देना, देन c1 माइनस c2 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर, राइट. जैसे एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर लूँ मैं कि जी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लाइंस 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. Say these are the two parallel lines और मेरे को डिस्टेंस निकालना है. देन डिस्टेंस स्ट्रेट वे विल बी, ये चीज सेम होगी पैरेलल लाइन में, 7 minus 1 modulus upon root of 9 plus 25. So this will be 6 upon root 34. This will be the result. Okay, now straightway. If anyhow he gave you the lines like this, okay, 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. दूसरी ने वो इस फॉर्म में दे दे आप लोगों को 4x minus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. First of all make the coefficient same. कोफिशिएंट सेम करो फिर डिस्टेंस निकालो. मीन्स उस लाइन को इस तरीके से ट्रांसलेट कर लो 2x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. So distance d will be 7 minus 2 upon root of 4x, sorry यहाँ 4x होना चाहिए, upon 16 plus 36. So this will be 5 upon root of root 52. Okay, this is how you can find out distance between parallel lines. Now here there comes a important question. यही ले रहा हूँ मैं उसको भी. Find the area of the square. Area of the square whose opposite sides are. Whose opposite sides are 4x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. एक स्केयर आपको दे दिया जाता है, उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड्स आपको दे रहा है वो 4x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the situation is like this कि ये आपके पास है स्केयर, एक साइड ये दे दी, से ये दे दी और ये हम अगर डिस्टेंस उनके बीच में निकाल दें दैट विल बी द साइड ऑफ द स्केयर. देन एरिया इज, पहले डिस्टेंस निकाल देते हैं या उसको साइड का नाम दे दो. साइड इज इक्वल टू 5 plus 1 upon root of 16 plus 9 means 6 upon 5. So area is 6 upon 5 whole square means 36 by 25 square units. Okay, this is the thing. This is how you can find out area. अगर कभी रेक्टेंगल दे देगा then दो साइड इधर होंगी, उन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकाल देना, then length into breadth. Okay, next इसी के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन और ले रहा हूं मैं, दैट इज इफ ए लाइन, ऐसे लिखो, इफ ए लाइन मेक्स intercepts A and B on coordinate axis. जब coordinate axis होगा तो obviously होगा कि ये x axis और y axis है. On coordinate axis and length of perpendicular from origin is P. Prove that 1 upon p square is equal to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. Say this is the question. Now let the line is intercept बना रहा है वो a x axis पे और b y axis पे. Things are like this. ये लाइन है आपके पास, ये है लेंथ a, ये है लेंथ b. तो लाइन आपके पास बन जाएगी x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन वो ले रहा है आपका p. देन p विल बी, आई विल डू इट लाइक दिस, 0 अपॉन a प्लस 0 अपॉन b माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन b स्क्वायर मीन्स p इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन b स्क्वायर स्क्वायरिंग p square is equal to 1 upon a square 1 upon b square reciprocating 1 upon p square. वो एक्सप्रेशन है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा रेसिप्रोकेट करने में. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट. ओके जी, नेक्स्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. Yes, if p and p dash be the length, it's a good question. if P and P dash be the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin, if P and P dash be the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin upon the straight lines x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to A, and x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to A cos 2 theta, then prove that, यहाँ prove that है, they can ask you as a MCQ 4p square plus p dash square is equal to a square. Say this. Now there are two lines, one is this, another is this. इसका length of perpendicular p है, इसका p dash है from the origin. Now let us find out first of all p. I am not interested in sketching now. This will be 0 into secant theta plus 0 into cosecant theta minus a modulus upon root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So P comes out to be a upon root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Then P dash is, इसको थोड़ा और आगे डेवलप करते हैं, वो P स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में पूछ रहा है. सो P स्क्वायर विल बी a square upon secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, right? उसको sin और cos में कन्वर्ट करें, you are getting a square sin square theta cos square theta. I think you got it. 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sin square theta, LCM लेंगे, you get this. इसको रखो संभाल के. Next is P dash is 0 into cos theta, 0 minus a cos 2 theta upon root of cos square theta plus sin theta 1, no need to mention. So P dash square, again he is asking you square, is equal to a square cos square 2 theta, right? He is asking you 4p square, so multiply this by 4. Now 4p square plus p dash square is equal to 4p square is, यहाँ 4 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 4 sin square theta cos square theta means 2 into sin theta cos theta whole square. So a square, थोड़ा explain कर देते हैं, 4 sin square theta cos square theta plus a square cos square 2 theta means a square common लो, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus cos square 2 theta is equal to a square into sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta, that is a square. Okay, so this is how you can do it. हाँ, यही perpendicular distance से ही कुछ results और निकाल रहा हूँ, उसको heading दो, position of point with respect to line. पोजीशन ऑफ पॉइंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लाइन, कहने का मतलब है कि आपको एक लाइन दे दी जाए और पॉइंट दे दिए जाएं, तो उनकी पोजीशन क्या है उस लाइन से अकॉर्डिंगली. से ये आपके पास कोई लाइन है ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, ये पॉइंट है आपके पास px1 y1, ये पॉइंट है कोई और p2 x2 y2. ओके जी, इनकी पोजीशन क्या है इन दोनों के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू. Okay, you find out the perpendicular, you just put this point here, means I will give it a name as L1. L1 expression निकालिए, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c. L2 is ax2 plus by2 plus c. If L1 and L2 are of same sign, if L1 and L2 L2 are of same sign. Point lie on the same side. Points lie on same side of the line. If L1 and L2 are of opposite sign, they lie on opposite sign. If L1 and L2 are of opposite sign, points lies on opposite side. Okay, generally अगर positive आ रहा है तो above the line, negative आ रहा है तो below the line. And if anyhow any one of the expression becomes 0, L1 is equal to 0 या L2 is equal to 0, then we say point lies on the line. If L1 is equal to 0, then P1 lies on the line. Very important conclusion from here. This is how you can identify the position of a point with respect to line. Say मेरे पास एक line है, एक लाइन लेते हैं और फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. जैसे अगर मैं सपोज एक लाइन ले रहा हूँ, से एनी लाइन 3x माइनस 2y प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. कोई पॉइंट लो यहाँ पे, से P इज, लेट देयर आर 2 पॉइंट्स, P1 इज 1 1, P2 इज 0 0. Okay, now put both of them here, right? Means L1 is equal to 3 minus 2 plus 1, that is 2 greater than 0. L2 is 0 0 plus 1, 1 is greater than 0. So both lie on the same side of the line. Both lie on the same side. I am not saying this is the exact line. Both lie on same side of the line. So this is the conclusion here. Now let's take a good question from this, from your assignment. Yes, the question is, question number 19th. The equation of the base of an equilateral triangle is, equilateral triangle ABC is, this is the equilateral triangle. उसके base की equation उसने दे दिया आपको, that is x plus y plus is equal to 2. If a जो है वो है 2 minus 1, the equation of base BC of an equilateral triangle ABC is x plus y is equal to 2 and a is 2 minus 1, then length of the side of the triangle is, length निकालनी है आपको, ये length. I will make use of perpendicular distance. ये distance निकाल लो आप. हाँ जी, this distance will be, say this is P. P is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2 modulus upon root of 1 plus 1. Okay जी. So this is 2 and 2 cancelled out, 1 upon root 2. ये length आपके पास आ गई 1 by root 2. Now let us take the length of the side B. Let the side is equal to A. ये है A. तो being equilateral triangle ये length हो जाएगी A by 2. Make use of Pythagoras, you can get it. Means A square, A by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to A square. Means A square by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to A square. A square by 4 minus A square is equal to A square by 4 minus A square is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this will be minus 3A square by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This cancels. So A square is equal to 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. यानी कि A is equal to under root of 2 by 3. So this should be the answer, I think. Yes, the option is A, 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. This is the result. I am doing question number 28. The equation of straight line equally inclined to the axis and equidistant from the point 1 and 2, 1 minus 2 and 3 4. Equally inclined to the axis. The thing is this line. Equally inclined means making same angle here, making same angle here. Or this, making same angle here, making same angle here. Okay, this is the meaning of equally inclined. So line can be x plus y, line is let the line is x plus y plus k is equal to 0 because k I don't know here, or you can take x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Okay ji, x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Now he says that it is equidistant from 1 minus 2 as well as from 3 4. So that means perpendicular distance from both the points should be same. So one of the point is 1 minus 2 and other is 3 4. So perpendicular distance निकालते हैं, 1 minus 2 plus k upon root of 1 plus 1 modulus should be equal to 3 plus 4 plus k modulus upon root of 1 plus 1. This cancels, so minus 1 plus k should be equal to plus minus 7 plus k. So the result is minus 1 plus k is equal to 7 plus k. This gives you no result as on both the sides k gets finished. So you take negative sign here, minus 1 plus k is equal to minus 7 minus k. That gives you twice of k is equal to minus 7 plus 1. So 2k is equal to minus 6, k is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now just compare the answer whether this is there. No, none of the option is there. So reject this thing. Let us take this line x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Right? इस ये portion वो ले ही नहीं रहा, x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Then that is 1 plus 2 plus k upon root of 1 plus 1 is equal to plus modulus 3 minus 4 plus k upon root of 1 plus 1. This finished. So 3 plus k is equal to plus minus 1 plus k. Again positive will give you no result. So this is minus, negative से ले रहे हैं, plus minus k. So twice of k is equal to minus k. So k is equal to minus 1. So the answer will be D here. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Replace this k by minus 1. So line is x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the result. Next, 29th question now. Here D is the answer. Now 29th question. In 29th question he says, drawn from the origin are two perpendicular lines forming an isosceles triangle together with the straight line 2x plus y. Say this is the line 2x plus y. 2x plus y minus a is equal to 0. Okay. Drawn from the origin. Two perpendicular lines. One is this line, another is this line. 90 degree this. Okay. This point is 0 0. Isosceles triangle. एक एक वर्ड की तरफ ध्यान देना. Isosceles triangle means this is equal to this. Let the perpendicular fall from here. It will bisect it. Okay जी. So हम perpendicular निकाल लेते हैं. Perpendicular निकाल लेते हैं. What he says? Let me repeat once again. Drawn from the origin are two mutually perpendicular lines forming an isosceles triangle together with the straight line this. Area of the triangle. Area निकालना है मेरे को. So this will be. Say I am saying it D. D will be 2 into 0 plus 0 minus a modulus upon root of 4 plus 1. This is a upon root 5. So इसका perpendicular आ गया. So next what you will do, इस एंगल को हम लोग थीटा ले लेते हैं. राइट, बेस चाहिए मेरे को. इस एंगल को थीटा ले लेते हैं हम लोग. सो ये आप लोगों के पास है. से tan थीटा नाउ. Tan theta isosceles triangle, this will become 45 degree. So tan 45 is equal to D upon, say I am saying it, B, C, this is D, BD. This is 1 is equal to D upon BD. So BD is equal to 1. So ultimately length of this line becomes 2. So BC is equal to 2. Okay. So area is half A by root 5 perpendicular into 2. So that finished. So the result is A upon root 5. No, I am sorry here. I am sorry. D D is yours A by root 5. 1 is equal to D by root 5 upon BD. This is BD is equal to A upon root 5. Okay. So BC will be 2A upon root 5. So area is half, बेस आपका हो गया 2 अपॉन रूट 5, परपेंडिकुलर है आप लोगों का a अपॉन रूट 5. So this gives you 2 and 2 cancelled, a square by 5. So the result is your C. 29th is C, a square by 5 square units. हाँ, next करते हैं क्वेश्चन 30th. The quadratic equation whose roots are x and y. The quadratic equation whose roots are x and y are the x and y intercept on the line through 1, 1. Say this is your coordinate axis. This much is say A, this much is B, passing through 1, 1. So the line is so 1 upon A, 1 upon B is equal to 1. ये तो पहला रिलेशन आ गया आप लोगों का. Then what he says, the quadratic equation whose roots are the x and y intercepts on the line passing through 1 and making an area A with the coordinate axis. Further, area A into B is equal to capital A, means AB is equal to twice of A. This result we get. Let us come to this equation now. A plus B is equal to AB. ये जो equation है, 1 becomes this. So A plus B is equal to twice of A. Okay जी. Now what he is demanding? हाँ, he says कि quadratic equation बनाओ. The quadratic equation whose roots are, तो equation में क्या बनता है? X square minus sum of roots, x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots is equal to 0. So if A and B are the roots, then equation will be x square minus A plus B into x plus AB is equal to 0. Means x square minus ये values replace करो, 2ax plus AB is equal to twice of A is equal to 0. So this is the correct answer. Means B is the answer, x square minus 2ax plus 2a is equal to 0. Now next question, 31st. 31st is good question and important also. He says a square of side A lies above x-axis and has one vertex at the origin. Let us draw the first of all coordinate axis. A square of side A has one side. A square of side A lies above x-axis and has one vertex at the origin. This side is A. Square है, 90 degree बनेगा वो. Okay. Next will be this. Next will be this. Okay जी. This point is 0, 0. One of the diagonal is this. Another diagonal is this. O, A, B, C. Okay जी. This much angle he says. Concentrate करिए question पे. A square of side A lies above x-axis and has one vertex at origin. The side passing through the origin at an angle alpha. This angle is alpha. Alpha को वो दे रहा है 45 से less. इसका मतलब ये 45 का angle नहीं बनाएगा. This is the importance of that. This angle will be 45. Total angle 90, half हो जाएगा 45. Okay जी. Next now slope. मेरे को एक लाइन निकालने के लिए दो चीजें चाहिए. One is point and the other is slope. So slope of the line will be, slope of the line is, as I told you in the previous lectures, okay, slope of the line is the tangent of the angle which it makes with the positive direction of x-axis. So slope क्या हो जाएगा उसका? Is equal to m is equal to tan of 45 plus alpha, means 1 plus tan alpha upon 1 minus tan alpha From trigonometry I am taking it tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Point I am having 0 0. So equation of OB is x minus 0 is equal to 1 plus tan alpha upon 1 minus tan alpha into x minus 0. आपका जो आंसर मांग रहा है वो साइन और कॉस में मांग रहा है. सो x इज इक्वल टू, इसको साइन कॉस में कन्वर्ट करो, कॉस अल्फा प्लस साइन अल्फा अपॉन कॉस अल्फा माइनस साइन अल्फा इंटू एक्स. दिस इज द रिजल्ट. ओके, बट ही इज डिमांडिंग आई थिंक द अदर डायगोनल with the equation of the diagonal not passing through origin. Okay, what will be the slope of this line now? Slope of this line, slope of AC. This line will be perpendicular to this, so the slope will be negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal means sin alpha minus cos alpha upon sin alpha plus cos alpha. ये इस लाइन की स्लोप थी, इसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल, माइनस मैंने बीच में अब्सॉर्ब कर दिया. राइट, नाउ आई एम लेफ्ट विद द पॉइंट. पॉइंट नहीं है हमारे पास, हम लोग पॉइंट निकालते हैं. ए पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है आपका? आई एम रबिंग इट. हाँ, ए पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है आप लोगों का? दिस मच डिस्टेंस इज ए, एंगल इज अल्फा, सो लेट ए परपेंडिकुलर फॉल फ्रॉम हियर इज दिस मच. See, I am saying this distance x, this is y. So using the simple trigonometry, x क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पे? a cos alpha and y क्या बन जाएगा? a sin alpha. So this is how you can get the point here. So equation of other diagonal is y minus a sin alpha is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha upon sin alpha plus cos alpha into x minus a sin alpha. So the result is y minus a sin alpha into sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to x into sin alpha minus cos alpha minus a sin alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha. ओके जी, नाउ जस्ट चेक द आंसर. किस फॉर्म में आंसर आप मांग रहा है वो आपसे, क्योंकि हमारा पर्पस तो सॉल्व हो गया. वी गॉट द इक्वेशन. यस, ही इज डिमांडिंग y ऑफ समथिंग प्लस x ऑफ समथिंग. तो y को कलेक्ट करते हैं पहले हम. मीन्स y ऑफ साइन अल्फा प्लस कॉस अल्फा, राइट, माइनस ही इज डिमांडिंग इन पॉजिटिव सा, सो प्लस x इंटू कॉस अल्फा को पहले लिख लो, cos alpha minus sin alpha is equal to, you are left with now a into sin alpha into a minus a sin square alpha minus a sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, I am just doing the rough, final वहाँ replace कर देंगे. Then plus a sin square alpha. Okay, ये cancel हो जाएगा आपस में, and then the other will be minus plus a sin alpha cos alpha. Okay ji, this gets cancelled. You are left with a square sin square alpha minus a square, just a minute, minus a sin square alpha minus a sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, then x, this is okay, minus a sin square alpha, this cancels. What happens? Oh yes, x minus a cos alpha. This is cos alpha here. This point x cos alpha. So this will be x. इसको replace करो, y minus a sin alpha into sin alpha cos alpha into x into sin alpha minus cos alpha, then minus a cos alpha here, cos alpha into this thing. Now just check it, minus a sin square alpha minus a sin alpha cos alpha and then plus a sin alpha cos alpha and plus a cos square alpha. Okay जी, प्लस ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा, तो जब वो उधर आएगा नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, सो दिस गिव्स यू ए, ये आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो द आंसर शुड बी इज इक्वल टू ए नाउ, ओके दिस गेट्स कैंसल्ड, वो इधर आकर के दिस उसको उधर ट्रांसफर करो, a into sin square alpha plus cos square, that is 1, so this is the answer, so the answer comes out to be C here, okay now next now what is the distance of the point 2 1, what's the distance of the point 2 1?